Hey guys, Brendan Esguerra here, and today, um, it's been a while ever since I uploaded, but, I'm still active on YouTube. I'm not dead or anything. It's just I've been busy lately, and especially with my Adventure Time reboot project. But don't worry, about my Adventure Time reboot project, do not lose hope. Don't lose hope as I'm still working on it, and I'm going to be still doing some updates, you see, here and there, as I'm working on some new stuff about it and all that. The whole shebang. So stay tuned for that, and I'm also going to be doing some other videos here and there, and so yeah. But for right now, I'm going to be talking about a giveaway that I'm doing. A giveaway on eBay for, you see, here we have the Transformers Fast Action Battlers, Ratchet. Yeah, Ratchet. I originally, I bought this, but I didn't want this. I originally wanted the mainline Voyager class Ratchet, but it was too expensive. But luckily, I scrounged a shitload of money in order to get, boom, the mainline Voyager class Ratchet. I just had to get the canopy because it was missing, and it was the only piece missing from him. But other than that, he's in good shape. He's nice, pretty solid, big and beefy robot, and he even comes with this cage thing that becomes like a claw that he could use to rescue humans with, or to decapitate any Decepticon enemy, to rip any Decepticon enemies' heads off. What? Haven't you watched the Michael Bay movies? And I like this Ratchet. Yeah, this Ratchet better than this one because, hold on a minute. Well, this guy in robot mode, he's too loose and flimsy, very floppy. I mean, I don't mind the easy transformation, but then again, this is the Michael Bay movie toy line, and even though I actually absolutely do love the Michael Bay movie toys, they are a pain in the ass to transform as they take way too long and are also way too hard to transform if you don't follow instructions. But thankfully, I followed instructions, and yeah. But this is just a floppy thing. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's not very articulated. The arms are loose, and he has that funny little axe that shoots caveman clubs. What? Haven't you watched Fuse Transformers review, or Fuse Transformers reviews. Sorry. Just go. Just go. There, I had to, transform it, for the sake of this video, and I'm gonna be giving it away and putting it on my eBay for auction. The starting bid is gonna be $25, but I'll give it away, but I'll give it away to the highest bidder. The bidder can give, I'll give it away if the bidder, bids 10% of the take, or perhaps maybe 35 or maybe even 50, but then again, I'm getting my hopes too high, so I shouldn't be getting my hopes too high, as even though I'm an optimist, I am also a realist, so please go on my eBay and get Ratchet today. Until then, have an awesome day and I hope you like it.